video. Zurich, Geneva, Basel, Bern, Lucerne, Lucerne, Estigalen, to Lucano are the main cities of the Switzerland. Zurich, the largest city in Switzerland, known for its vibrant culture, financial institution, and stunning Lake Zurich. Geneva, a cosmopolitan city famous for hosting international organizations including the United Nations and the Red Cross. Basel, located on the Rhine River, Basel is known for its beautiful old town art museum and the renowned Basel Carnival. Bern, the capital city of Switzerland, famous for its well-preserved medieval old town featuring the